Go ahead and go trot. Put them together. You give with your hand a little more. You're too constrictive with your hand. Give with your hand forward. Close the leg and give with your hand forward. Hands up and ask and look. There you go. Good. Drop the crop. Now keep your rhythm and count down to the line.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait.
7.
Sit up and get your lead. Come here. Just look to the left. Good. Keep coming. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. Keep coming. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stretch up and look. Good.